like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, it's here. My Fabfitfun autumn box is here, and this year they've changed some things. Okay, they've raised the price to $79.99 a quarter, and it's $259.99 seasonally. Annually. And if you're not familiar, it's a lifestyle box. Comes 4 times a year, and there's a lot of perks to it. And for some, and they have now upped our choices to 7. And annual, if you pay annually, you save a little bit of money on your box. And if you pay annually, you also get first dibs at everything, and you'll get all yours done. And then they come in with the seasonal. Seasonal gets to choose later. So if they run out of something, it's usually the seasonal that don't get it. I don't know how often that happens. And now I'm looking for my scissors. Hold on. Gotta go get them. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I now have it. Okay. Now this time I did something a little different, because they're doing where you instead of getting something from that particular thing for that category, you can take the credit, and like if you want 2 on the next one, it helps pay for it. So anyway, the inside of this box is pretty. I don't know if that's why they quit painting the outside of the box, but it's for recycling. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside. You know, and as we discussed in previous boxes, they really, you know, they have to, things are getting smaller and smaller in here, because I don't know why this couldn't fit in there, but it didn't. It must have come later or something. But, okay, here's this. There should be one more. Huh. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go through. Now, I didn't get anything out of the first one because there wasn't anything I wanted. Because, I've got every kind of bag going, you know. So, I got this one instead. Oh, this is soft. I don't normally wear cardigans. I don't normally wear sweaters at all. But it's soft, and I thought, well, you know, on those winter days where I have to, you know, just run somewhere real fast, I can wear it. It's very soft. And I got an extra large, and what is the name? Vin, V-I-N. Here's my glasses. I knew I'm going to need them. Okay, let's see. So I got that. I have no idea what this is. Oh, and I got the Moon and Moon pie server. Because I don't believe I have one. I don't know, but I don't believe I have one. And I didn't get the pan because it doesn't go with my kitchen. If it went with my kitchen, I would have got the pie pan, but it doesn't, so, because I would have just put it on the shelf somewhere, displayed it. But it didn't, so it kind of had bread in it, I know. But this does. Fits my kitchen. Got it. There, I got it. I didn't see put this crap over there, but it's just a pie server. And one of the items and one of the things was a pie pan. And it came in 2 different colors, I believe. And neither one of them would have matched my kitchen. Excuse me, I just took my medicine. I believe one of them was brown or beige, and one of them was red. So, you know, it's not really. And then I got the Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen marine cream. And it looks like this. Of course it has that. I can get it out. There, I got it. And this is the consistency. I always try to show you guys that. Of course, Elemis is expensive and it's a good product. So I went ahead and got that. I'll be honest with you. I was thinking about making it a Christmas present. Because I've got other Elemis stuff coming too, so I thought maybe I'll just put it in a basket and make it a Christmas present. Then I got these, and these are those threader earrings. I have never worn threader earrings. Don't know if I can wear threader earrings. You see how they go? They go through your ears. The whole chain goes through your ears. And it's kind of strange to me. Let's see if I can do one. It won't go that way, but it'll go this way. Okay. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know. I'm not really good at stuff like this. I always end up breaking something or something. Let's see. I've never done this, so bear with me. Almost locked the back. And I just lost that one, wherever it went. There it goes. Okay, what did I do with the one I had loose? Oh, here it is. Come on. You can do it. Okay. Now, if you look at these, they have like a post back. I don't know if you can see it. You put that through it. And find my hole. There it is. So put that through it. Did I get it? Yeah. Then you just keep on pulling. And you put the other ones on. You can make it any, you can make it any length you want, but it goes all the way through your ear. I've never worn one like that before, but I imagine if it can be lost easy, I will lose it. And they did have these little plastic backs on it, these little plastic backs, so that would keep you from losing it, but you're not supposed to wear them. You see, you're supposed to just let it hang. They're interesting. They feel kind of weird going in and out. This back on here so I don't lose it. So there's that. It's different. And I've never worn them before, so I thought, well, this is kind of cool. It's something different. There's that. And let's see if I can find the other one. No. I was supposed to get the emerald necklace set too, but I don't see it in here. Call them. Yeah, I was supposed to get the... And I don't see it anywhere in here. Okay, well, good on me, I guess. So I'll have to call him because I didn't get it. That's nice. 1, 2, 3 things. And I got, oh, and my, stick this in here. Stick this in here. Then I also got this from Rare Beauty. And it looks like that. I think it's a hand cream. I'll be honest with you. Summer and spring used to be my favorites. The last couple of years, it's been fall, and I'll be honest with you, I wasn't impressed with this one. I really wasn't. I don't mean to be. I wasn't impressed, and I was supposed to get those earrings, so I'm going to have to call them or message them. So, here we go. And it's just a push button type. And I don't know why these people are using these recycled stuff. Because if you have any age to you, you know, your hands cannot squeeze that. It smells good. I'm gonna wait for me to be smoothing out my hands. I've worked like a man too many years. So anyway, I got that. And I got the threader earrings. I got the sweater. Which, I don't think I've ever worn a cardigan in my life, but it's nice. You know. I'm sure it's expensive because it's very, very soft. So I got that. And I got my pie thing. My Elemis thing. And I was supposed to get the earrings that I didn't get. So, I will have to call them and just show them that I didn't get it. They usually make it right, but still. Okay. Oh, shit. But anyway, like and subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and I will get a hold of them and they will ship it to me. But it's supposed to be, I'll put a picture of what it was supposed to look like. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff.